Hi guys, welcome back. Rick here. I've got some brilliant tips to show you today. I've just been and bought this digital angle gauge from Amazon. It was under £15 and I'm going to show you how I use it to set my front and rear toe and probably some other bits and bobs you can do with it. Obviously you know about these cheap little camber gauges, got ride height on there as well. So these are about £10, so for £25 should be able to do the geometry on my RC drift car. Now what I tend to do is I use the battery post as a datum point. I'll zero the angle gauge 90 degrees and zero it, and then I put it across the battery post and match it up to the angle of the front wheels. So I'll put it across the battery post like that and then line up the best you can down the outer rim of the front wheel. Read the gauge, it's about 2.5 degrees. Obviously do the same with the other side. Should be matching. That gives me a total toe out of approximately 5 degrees. And then I'll do exactly the same across the rear. There you go, I'll just turn it around and do the same across the rear, and you can see it's 121, it's actually supposed to be 125 because it's 2.5 degree total towing on the rear. There you go. You know how to use the ride height gauges. It measures ride height in millimeters. Just pop it under all four corners of the chassis. Obviously remember to put your battery in, like I haven't got, and try and run the actual weight you're going to be running. And again, the camber, set your machine up to 10 degrees or whatever you plan on running. I run 10 degrees front and 4 degrees rear. So thanks for watching guys. Wanted to share that real cool cheap tip, or just share what I learned really to save a few pounds. Hopefully have another video coming soon with motor and ESC upgrades on this almost stock MST ready to run. Thanks for watching, happy drifting.